Today let's see how to add text like this in any picture. First, open Photoshop. You will see Create New option, so click on this. And then this page will open. From here, fill these criteria. This canvas will open. Then go to Files, and then place Embedded, and select an image from your computer. Then adjust it on the screen. Rename this image. Now we need only the subject. So for this, go to the Object Selection tool. Click on Select and Mask. Then click on Select Subject. And press OK. You can see here, the subject is selected. Now press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer and delete the previous layer. Here are your results. You can see this. Now add a text box. I am pasting the HEX color code here. Now to increase the size of the text, press Ctrl+T and adjust it. Take the text layer down to the image layer, and then duplicate the text layer, and move upward. Fill it 0%. Then double-click on this layer, and go to the stroke option. Keep the size 4%, and hit OK. Then press Alt+click. Now as you can see, both text boxes are not moving together. So we need to link both the text boxes. So for this, select both text boxes and link them. Now this is perfect. We get the results just like we wanted. And here are your final results.